See some hands. Welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors from. Yeah, welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors from. Yeah, ain't nothing like a poor video on the Māori when you arrive to meet up with another tribe. The sun shining in your eyes, chewing off the flies, waiting for the first speaker on the pie. Fight corridor straight from the Mōhio, vital life lessons for Tamai Kortiro, but one at a time. First Kaumata will speak their minds, the Manuhiri will give their reply, no matter what the occasion. Whether somebody's passed on, a wedding or they're just aging, Māori is the staging. This is as formal as it gets, show aroha and respect for each other. Don't forget a Waiata after your speech, Papa. That's sweet cause we all know a little bit of copper haka. Tribal roots run deeper than you can manage. Even imagine tapu aspect can be damaged. Yeah.
Descend directly from your ancestors. They're in your blood. They're in your bones. Mountains will remain. When you travel to a distant land, you're gonna take a piece of home that'll resonate deep
hands up like
in your
this.
soul.
1, 2. Welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. Yeah, welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. Yeah, no matter if you've come from near or far, we all know the kaupapa, where your roots are drawn to your whakapapa. You never fall for the future without your past, without the waitua. You tupuna up in the urupa, hongi kihi, no mai hare mai to the whānau behind the scenes, bahi up in the wharekai. It comes as no surprise, Māori are multi-talented, keeping the balance. Battlers, ain't nothing. Staunch walks or faces forward, arrogance, amateurs are just a straight up embarrassment. The teko says it all to the average witness. Fighting the wee portraits of real savages. Blood of our ancestors runs deep within tribal marriages and core hung out ill to teach the kids. Foundations of concrete, that's where my speech begins. Māori stand again, this time we fight for keeps and win. Yeah.
Descend directly from your
You see those hands, Father?
They're in your blood. They're in your bones.
See those hands out the back there?
Mountains will remain when you travel to a distant land. You're gonna take a piece of home that'll resonate deep in your soul.
Welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam. Yeah, welcome to Amarai. It's out Tuangawaewae. It's the place where I'm from, the place I belong, the place where my ancestors roam.